In this video, we demonstrate with a known demand curve, how does profit vary with price or price and variable cost. The Excel tool we use here is data table. Okay, the question asks, you open up a lemon stand at the Houston Rodeo Show, and the following are the finances. How does your profit vary with price or with price and variable cost? So we already have the demand curve where demand is equal to 65,000 minus 9,000 times price. It's a big show, so the demand can get pretty high. And we have introduced the formula for calculating the revenue as well as the profit. So now let's get started. Here we have a price level of $4 per unit, and be aware that this is not really the optimal price. We don't know the optimal price yet. We can put in any price, and we want to see what's the output of the profit level at that price. So for now, we just leave $4 there as the price. With the price of $4, the demand is equal to 65,000 minus 9,000 times the price level in cell B3 and enter. So that should not be dollar amount. Let me change this to general. Okay, so the demand is 29,000 cups. And we have the variable cost of 45 cents per unit, the fixed cost of $45,000. And the revenue is equal to demand times price. So equals the demand level here times the price and enter. So the revenue is $116,000. And the profit, the formula is here, and that's equal to, parenthesis, the price level here, $4, minus the variable cost here, 45 cents, close the parenthesis, and times the demand of 29,000 and minus the fixed cost, and enter. So the profit is approximately $58,000. We don't know whether the price is good or not. If this price varies around, the profit can go up or down, but takes forever to test this out. Excel offers a good tool for this purpose. It's a one-way data table or a two-way data table. So in this data table, what we're going to do is we're going to first vary just price alone, going from $1 all the way to $5. And we want to see how much would the profit and the revenue vary when price changes. So that's what the data table does. And similarly, we're going to do a two-way data table where we vary both price and variable cost. And we want to see how does profit change with those two parameters. So to run the one-way data table, we're going to put the profit here. So that will be equal to the profit that we have calculated in B8 and enter. And then we can also simultaneously do this for revenue. So that's equal to the revenue we have calculated here in cell B7 and enter. So now we have laid this out. We're going to select this area and go to data, what if analysis, data table. And since we are doing a one-way data table, we don't have to put in both row and columns. All we need to do is to just put in one of them. So here we're going to select the column input cell as price. So in the column, each one of these values has taken on a different price level. Now click OK. So instantly the data table produces the profit and the revenue at different price levels. Let me change the format. $1. We don't need any decimal points. So now we have the profit and revenue, how they vary with price. Let's focus on revenue itself. So let's first focus on profit alone and select the profit column and conditional format this. So we can see that when the price starts to increase, the profit increases as well. And at some point, actually the profit would start to decrease when the price increases further. So it will be interesting to see how profit changes with price in a chart. We're going to do that in the next step. First, let's take a look at how revenue varies with price. Again, conditional format this. So as you can see, the same thing goes with revenue, increases with price, and then starts to decline. From this table, you can already see that at this level, the profit actually peaks around $3.75. Although we are not entirely sure whether this is the optimal price level because there is a 25-cent gap in between these different price levels. So first, let's take a look at the relationship between price and profit, how this looks like. And insert. Here we're going to do the scatter plot curve with dots. Okay. Make it bigger. Label this. Add chart elements. Axis titles. Primer horizontal. Primer vertical. And this is price. And this is profit. And the chart title, let's call this How Profit Varies with Price. Enter. So as you can see here, the relationship between price and profit is a curve, as we have discussed in the lecture. So in this curve, you can see that when price increases, when this goes to the right, price gets higher, profit would increase with it until at one point it reaches the peak, and then when price increases further, the profit starts to decline. And because this is a quadratic curve, we know that we can find a unique optimal price point where we can maximize the profit. So in a separate video, I'm going to talk about how to find optimal price using Solver. But here we get a general idea that this is approximately where the optimal price level is. And on this table, we see that the peak, at least on this curve, is somewhere around here at $3.75. An additional point is that the fixed cost. So does the fixed cost influence the optimal price? Let's just take a quick look. Let's say if I change this fixed cost from 45,000 to 30,000. Enter. As you can see that the profit and revenue, they both shift. What's interesting, you can see, is around $3.75, the profit is still the highest spot. Even if I do some extreme changes, let's say fixed cost to 0, you can see that the peak is still around here. And let me put it back as 45,000. A key point is the optimal price does not change with the fixed cost. Only the variable cost would influence it. So now let's take a look at how profit changes with two parameters, price and the variable cost. So in order to do the data table, we're going to put this here equals the profit that we have calculated and enter. And now select from this corner all the way to the range of the variable cost and the price. And then go to data, what if analysis, data table, and the row input cell here would be the variable cost, and the column input cell is the price. And now click OK. All these numbers are filled. Let me format this. Go to home, dollar. Now let's take a look at each column. That shows each variable cost level. So at 30 cents, when the variable cost is 30 cents, where is the maximum profit? And the highest level is 62,813. Okay, so that corresponds to an optimal price around $3.75. And again, when the variable cost is 35 cents, it's still the same. So this is when the profit is highest in this column. How about 40 cents? Still the same. 45 cents. Still here. And 50 cents. Still here. And at 55 cents, we see that this is $55,000 of profit, and this is more than $55,000. So as you see, when the variable cost changes, it does shift your optimal price around. And here the peak optimal price actually changes when the variable cost changes. That concludes this video.